Hi, Carol here with Everspruce, and it's great to have you with us today. I'm excited about our topic today, but before we dive into it, I just wanted to give you a little bit of history of why I'm here and why I created Everspruce. So why home inventory app? Well, I had a very unstructured childhood. So as I became an adult, I was always searching for structure. So what did I do? I threw myself into learning about the power of organization, creating good habits and learning how to be more productive. I wasn't taught these skills when I was young or didn't have any adults around me who I could learn from. I had to figure it out myself. With Everspruce, I am hoping to share all my knowledge and help others create a more peaceful and productive life. One aspect of having a more peaceful and productive life is related to our topic today. Today, we will be talking about a crucial topic that every homeowner should pay attention to, creating a home inventory. Now I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great. Why do I really need a home inventory? Well, let me tell you a story. One of my close friends had a house fire a few years ago. Thankfully, everyone got out safely, but they lost almost all of their possessions. The process of filling out an insurance claim was a nightmare for them, and it took months to get everything sorted out. If they had a home inventory, the process would have been much smoother and less stressful. Let me ask you, have you ever thought about what would happen if you lost all your belongings due to a disaster or a break-in? It's not something we like to think about, but it is a possibility. And when it happens, it can be stressful and overwhelming to try to account for everything that you lost. That's where a comprehensive home inventory comes in. A home inventory can make the process of filing an insurance claim much easier and smoother. Not only that, it can also help you assess whether you need additional coverage for your belongings or maybe less. This is where the Everspruce Home Inventory app comes in. It's simple and innovative solution that can streamline the process of creating a home inventory for insurance. Now let's take a look at some key features of the Everspruce Home Inventory app for insurance. First off, it's simple and easy to use. You can add entries quickly and easily through a spreadsheet or by taking multiple pictures of multiple items in a rapid fashion, fill out the information later. Everspruce also allows you to take up to 10 photos per entry, which is useful when one single photo won't capture all the details you need for an item. You can even take photos of receipts, warranties, any other important documents attached to the item. The app also offers essential fields for insurance, such as value, serial number, manufacturer, and model. In the next update, I am excited to announce Everspruce will be adding new fields, including replacement costs, item purchase date, and item purchase price. We want to make sure you're covered. One of the best things about the app is the value roll-up feature. Everspruce automatically displays the sum of value for all your entries, enabling you to quickly understand if you are overpaying for insurance or if you don't have enough coverage. And if you need to share your inventory with your agent, not a problem. Everspruce allows you to create a PDF or a CSV export of your entries, and you can print it out or email it to them. It's not a problem. Everspruce takes security seriously, and all your data is securely saved in the cloud, ensuring that your inventory is always safe and accessible, no matter where you are. As you can see, the Everspruce Home Inventory app is a comprehensive, insurance-friendly solution that streamlines the process of inventory management, providing a powerful tool for tracking, managing, and protecting your home assets. The Everspruce Home Inventory app is not just a smart choice, but an essential tool for every homeowner who wants to protect their valuable possessions. It's never too late to start creating a home inventory. And with Everspruce Home Inventory app, it's never been easier or more convenient. So don't wait till it's too late. Download the Everspruce Home Inventory app and have peace of mind, knowing your home and possessions are fully protected. Okay, one more bonus tip. Check the description box below for what most insurance companies ask for to file a claim. Please check with your agent and review your policy to make sure you record all the necessary information in the event you need to file a claim. And for more valuable information on home inventory or home insurance, head over to everspruceapp.com to see our blog posts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.